111 The Engine House in Bolton. A house share. Entering the property, come into the hallway leading upstairs, but straight through to the communal kitchen and living area. Really big room. This area is actually only shared between 2 tenants of this house share. One of the bedrooms we have up to let. The bedroom we have is room C at the top of the stairs. A double room at the front of the property. The room comes with a double bed and built-in storage with a view onto the road. This room benefits from only sharing the bathroom with one other tenant. If you'd like any more information, please contact us at Currans Homes.